Hi everyone, today we're checking out the Rocollos rechargeable wall-mounted lighted makeup mirror that features a narrow base for space saving and easy installation. This 8-inch double-sided mirror offers 1x and 10x magnification, perfect for detailed makeup application with clear lighting. It has 3 color light modes, white, warm, and natural, that you can dim with a simple touch control to suit any makeup setting. The built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery charges via Type-C cable, eliminating the need for cords or frequent battery changes. Its extendable arm swivels 360 degrees, letting you adjust the mirror to the perfect angle and fold it back when not in use. Just keep your face within 4 inches of the 10x side for the clearest view without dizziness. Plus, this mirror comes with a 12-month warranty and responsive customer service for your peace of mind. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.